Good morning, friends. We're ready for Sunday lesson 51. Here we go. Swa, sl, her, sn, cur, gur, sk, ft, ol, st, ng, fur, cl, nk, gul, sp, sn, sk, full, pull, tur, gur, nd, nt, mb, olt, olk, sp, st, kt, bur. All right, and we are going to spell some sounds. All right, I want you to first spell ear. What three letters make the ear sound? Okay, let's see how you did. So ear is E-A-R. All right. Good job. Kiss your brain if you got that one right. Okay, the next one is qua. I want you to write down the two letters that make the qua sound. So Q-U. Another kiss. Nice job. Okay, and the last sound I want you to write is R. As in car or start. A-R. All right, now I want you to write the J sound. Show me 3 ways. See if you can do 1, 2, 3 ways for the J sound. So we've got J, G, and the last one, D, G, E. Good job. All right, and then I want you to write down the ah sound that is before N or L. Okay, like crawl or lawn. So the ah. Okay, so that would be A-W. Good job. All right, moving on to reading our words. Here we go. And that's got the aw sound we were talking about. Fawn, brawn, drawn, lawn, pawn, spawn, dawn, yawn, drawl, crawl, all, shawl, raw, spoon, greeting, oil, law, snoop, coat, boil, claw, deer, load, spoil, bridge, spear, float, seesaw, sleeping, shear, soil, drawing, speeding, boat, point, flaw, hang, soak, moist, jaw, stain, toast, coin, thaw, joining, road, coil, dawn. And we have some sentences. Remember to look at the punctuation to see how to read it correctly. All right, so we have, do you have a fear of the dark? I think my mom is nearby. Place your ear to the wall so you can hear. Did you hear the chunk of ice hit the bridge? Okay, and we are going to spell our words. Okay, the first word I want you to spell is trademark. Go ahead and say it. Trademark. All right, so we have trademark. So it's a compound word. So let's spell it. T-R-A-D-M-A-R-K. Okay, go ahead and write it. Okay, so we have trademark. Good job. The next word is yawning. You say it, yawning. Okay, we write it. Ing. Think of the 3 letters that make that ing sound. Yawning. Okay, next, a sight word, very. You repeat it, very. Go ahead and write it, very. Very. Next word, it's got that O sound. Soap. You say it, soap. We spell it S-O-P. S-O-P. Good. And we've got a soft C word, dance. You say it, dance. We spell it D-A-N-C-E. Dance. Good. Okay, our next word is smile. You say it, smile. We spell it S-M-I-O. It's got that long I. S-M-I-O. Good job. Okay. The next word we have is dawn. Dawn. I used Dawn dish soap, or we were waking up just before dawn. So we spell it D-on. D-on. Very good. Okay, our next one is again. You say it, again. We spell it A-G-N. A-G-N. All right, our next word is fear. You say it, fear. We spell it F-E-R. It's got that ear. Ear. Good, nice job, friends. All right, our next word is large. You say it, large. We spell it L-R-G. Large. Good job. All right. The next word is quite. You say it, quite. We spell it I-T. Good. All right, I'm just going to get rid of some of these words real quick. All right. So our next word is lawn. You say it, lawn. We spell it on. On. Okay. The next one is a sight word, against. You say it, against. It's the word again, and then we add the st to it. So A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Against. Good. All right, the next word is coaster. You say it, coaster. We spell it K-O-S-T-E-R. All right. So O-S-T-E-R. st, and then E-R, right? The next word is force. You say it, force. We spell it or s. It's got that soft C in it. So or s. Good. Our last one is a sight word. Who. You say it, who. We spell it, or you go ahead and write it. It's got that who. Ooh. Good. All right, we're ready for our dictated sentence. This is going to be a question. What is your point? So we have what is your point? 4 words. And then think about what it will look like if you're asking a question. Getting rid of all my words here. All right, so it should be, what is your point? Okay, and the next sentence is, a bit of rice is small. A bit of rice is small. 6 words. So capital A, bit of rice is small. Period. All right, and our new material today is a long A sound, as in rain. A, rain. Say that with me, A. Good. All right, let's read some words that have that sound in it. Train, fail, paint, brain, stain, chain, sail, pair. Okay, and we're going to write down a few of these. The first one is sail. You say it, sail. We spell it S-A-O. So we write it S-A-I-L, sail. Okay, next one is chain. You say it, chain. We spell it ch-ain. Ch-ain. And paint. You say it, paint. We spell it p-a-n-t. Paint. The next word is stain. You say it, stain. We spell it st-ain. St-ain. And last word is fail. You say it, fail. We spell it f-a-l. F-a-l. Great job. Give yourself a round of applause. Good work, friends. You're all done.